what the final conviction is, and she has been sentenced to death. What we're given to understand that both Sheikh Hasina and Asaduzzaman Khan Kamal, the former Home Minister of Bangladesh, have been found guilty. The judgment is still trickling in, and now what we're given to understand that the tribunal found that the three leaders exercise common command responsibility over killing, torture, disappearance and arson carried out by security forces and ruling party operatives. Accepting persecution's claim, this is what the court has said, that that these operatives were working on the orders of Sheikh Hasina, and now what we are given to understand that the judgment has been delivered. The International Crime Tribunal has convicted the ousted Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, former Home Minister Asaduzzaman Khan Kamal, and former IGP Police Chaudhry Abdullah Al Momin of crimes against humanity for directing and enabling humanity.
I request you and Shinjo to stay with us. We have a journalist from Bangladesh joining us on the broadcast, Amanur Rahman. Thank you for joining us. Firstly, Mr. Amanur Rahman, if you can give us a sense of what happened in the court, the hearing, as well as what the court has said.
Well, as I have talked with before, the court has said that Sheikh Hasina, Asaduzzaman Kamal, and the back then IGP, three of them are charged with giving order, planning, and killing of the youth people in July uprising, and she and along with other two persons is guilty with charges, and it gives the death penalty. That's what we have just, you have just seen the live broadcast, and it's telecast in English.
Okay. So she has been found guilty of committing crimes against humanity at the Bangladesh court, sentencing Sheikh Hasina to imprisonment till natural death on the first charge. But death penalty, you mentioned, is also a possibility. That's also something that she is staring at.
Yes. It already declared. The death penalty has been declared.
Okay, death penalty has been declared already. Does she have any legal options now currently to challenge this?
Yes, it's just ICT, the International Criminal Court. After that, he has the High Court and Supreme Court division to appeal against this. So there is obviously options.
Okay, when will
this is just the first options in judicial system, the first court. After that, he can have the High Court and Supreme Court.
Okay, so this is the first court, but Shinjoy, she does have the legal option to challenge the same. But is it looking extremely grim at the moment? She does have the option, yes, of challenging it legally in a higher court. But for now, the death penalty being given to Sheikh Hasina, that has already been pronounced by the court.
See, a death penalty, anyone would be very difficult. And in this case, she is just lucky that she is in India and she is not behind bars in Bangladesh. Because if she were behind bars in Bangladesh, then a death penalty would probably be inevitable. Yes, she would go to the High Court, she would go to the Supreme Court, but things being what they are now, of course, we can't say how the courts would have eventually looked at it. One can only speculate, but one imagines that under these circumstances, a death penalty would have been carried out. It would have taken more time. It would, yes, naturally the High Court would look at it. The Supreme Court would have looked at it. Maybe there would be an appeal to the president. All of that is there. But under these circumstances, yes, a death penalty would have been carried out. Now, of course, he's here. And as I've said before, the Prime Minister has said that Sheikh Hasina is his sister. He has referred to her as bad. Now, you would throw your sister to the wolves? Is the question.
Okay.
The answer very probably.
Shinjo, your line is not clear. We'll just come back to you in just a moment as we figure